Hello everyone, welcome to Clean Coder YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, I'll highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel as I make content related to software engineering, system design, and data structures and algorithms. So earlier we have covered the functional requirements topic of the requirements gathering. Now we'll be covering the second part, which is non-functional requirements in requirements gathering. So let's get started. So what are non-functional requirements? Let's check that out. So non-functional requirements, or NFR, specifies the quality attribute of a software system. They judge the software system based on responsiveness, usability, security, portability, and other non-functional standards that are critical to the success of the software system. Examples of non-functional requirement is how fast does the website load. Failing to meet non-functional requirement can result in systems that fail to satisfy user needs. Okay, so non-functional requirements in software engineering allows us to impose constraints or restrictions on the design of the system across various agile backlogs. Example, the site should load in 3 seconds and the number of simultaneous users are greater than 10,000. So description of non-functional requirements is just as critical as functional requirements. So this is the brief definition of non-functional requirements, or NFR. So in the next slide, let's check out the types of non-functional requirements. So there are many types of non-functional requirements which could be classified as scalability. So non-functional requirements could be regarding the scale, like how the various nodes in a clustered design should scale. So there could be requirements around that which could come in scalability. So the second part is reliability. What does reliability mean? How reliable our system is. So can it be completely down or can it be partially down when some of the nodes are down or some of the nodes are not up? So these kinds of requirements come under reliability. The third type is regulatory. So there could be many organizations or regulatory departments which we need to satisfy so that the business could run in that country. For instance, in India, if you are a stockbroker, you need to take permission or you get registered in SEBI, something like that. So these kinds of department could be in different countries. So there could be some regulatory non-functional requirements which a software needs to satisfy. The next category is maintainability. So the software system should be maintainable. The next category is serviceability. They should be serviceable. The next category is utility. And the next category is security. The software system should be secure so that hackers and all cannot penetrate inside our software system easily. Obviously, they should be manageable. So it should be easy by the SRE team or other members of the company to manage the software. Then the next part is data integrity. At all times, the system should remain consistent. That is, data should always be correct in the databases and all the persistent storage used in the organization or the software. And the next one is around capacity. So there could be certain non-functional requirements around capacity. Again, regulatory got repeated. I don't know why, but no problem. Let's just cut that out. After that, there is this availability. So our system should be highly available. The downtime should be minimal. So there could be certain functional requirements around that its availability should be in this much percentage. It should be available for this much percentage of time in a year. There could be some NFR or non-functional requirements around that. Usability, again, there could be some NFR regarding usability. Then there is interoperability, and there could be some NFRs related to environmental regulations also. So these are covered here. So let's move to the next slide now. So let's check out some of the examples of non-functional requirements. So these are the six examples of non-functional requirements. So let's check out the first one. So user must change the initially assigned login password immediately after the first successful login. Moreover, the initial login should never be reused. This is a non-functional requirement around security. Right? The second NFR is employees are never allowed to update their own salary information. This is quite intuitive. Such attempt should be reported to the security administrator. Okay. The third one is every unsuccessful attempt by a user to access an item of data shall be recorded on an audit trail, or it should be logged so that later audit could happen in the organization. Fourth one is a website should be capable enough to handle 20 million users without affecting its performance. Here, without should be there, without affecting its performance. Cool. The software should be portable. So moving from one OS to another OS does not create a problem. This is also self-explanatory. The privacy of information, the export of restricted technologies, intellectual property, etc. should be audited. So these are some of the examples of non-functional requirements. So I have referred this website for the theoretical guidance for this topic. So you can browse this link if you want to have more information, or if in case I missed anything. So that's all regarding non-functional requirements. If you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. And once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Hey guys, do check out this Instagram channel, Clean Coder Community, for all the jokes and memes related to software engineering. Thanks a lot.